Hey guys, welcome to Don't Push the Wrong Button or I'll die. I might play this even more. Depends. Uh-huh. Oh, interesting. Yes. I'm a good learner. oh god. Oh Jesus. Hold up. I can do this. Hmm. No, didn't work. Mm-hmm. Mm. Wait a minute. Okay, 3-0, that? No, 7-0. Hey! I'm pretty good! Let's try another one. Yeah. I want to start. Oh. Um. Oh! Hey! I'm pretty good! Oops! No, I'm good. Oh, a C4. Dang it. I thought it would work. It's the only thing. Okay, hold up. Okay, if I have no clue what I'm doing right now. Fine. There. Having no clue what you're doing means good things. Like, if you're on a date, if you don't know what to get, just get what do you think would be right. Let's begin. Oh, God. Is there any other one? Oh. Okay, I was right. The other one might, okay. I'm on first random thing. Okay. Oh, that was so bad. But it was good. I'm a born survivor. Okay, this one. It's 2, 8, or 0. So 802. No. 820. 208 or 280 820. Yeah. Hey, wait, what's this? What? Okay. I'm gonna die. Oh, thank God. Oh God. Okay. Everybody I care died. Oh no, wait, I died. Alright guys, that's what I wanted to stop at. Or probably not. Let's see if it's the same stuff. If it's not, it's probably the same. Two, 4. Come on. 4, 2, 8. Woo! Already! What is this? What is this? What is that? What is that? Is that good? Is that good? Is that good? Oh! I can't hit it one time. I can't hit it another. Oh, this is bad. I can't hit another time. I don't know if it's gonna be a good time. Whatever. Fine. Fine. I didn't want to win. I didn't even want to show how good I was. I don't want to go to YouTube. So if I go too fast, it'll blow up. Great. Wow! I'm doing great with numbers right now. Thank you. Thank you. I did that to save everybody. This is another thing. Shout out to everybody is watching. No. Last one. Whew. Okay. Probably the last one. I'm probably going to say last one and it's going to be another one. Wait. Yeah! What's this? I have no clue what that is. Let me see. Okay. 3. Waka. Okay, I got that one. Oh God, I'm not funny. Duck! Help! Oh God. Whoa. Whoa! I'm gonna end the episode here because I cannot see anything but the numbers. So yeah, see you guys in the next episode, and leave in the comments telling me what just happened and explain how I fix this. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next episode. Bye.